Okay, welcome to the tutorial. It's going to teach you how to tie an and knot around this wireframe of a star to make a macrame star, and you'll have the little jingle bells for the middle. And this is the knot that we're trying to create. If you look at the pattern here, you've got a lovely diagonal with the little bumps at either side. Okay, so I'm going to talk you through the knot. So for the purpose of the video, I've just attached the star to this little stool, but you can do it by just placing the star between your knees, and that will help for you to be able to make the knot. Okay, so I've already tied it on with the first knot just so that it's easier for you to see. You've got 6.5 meters of string. One of them's tied together with a pink piece of thread and one with a blue. And if you see the pictures that I have sent with the kit, then you'll see that you have a pink clip and a blue clip on those pictures. So I've just replaced those for pieces of string. So it's really simple to make the knot. You bring the string that's attached to the blue section across the metal star and you make this loop. Okay, the second part of the knot brings the pink string over the top, and make sure it's this side of your hand. You're making a cross here, and then you go through the star and up through the loop that you made. Then you pull the knot towards you so that you've got this crisscross, and then you slowly place the crisscross into position like so. And it's as simple as repeating that as you work your way around the star. So I'm going to do that again. Make the loop, hold it with your right hand, bring the pink one over, through the star and up through the loop. Pull the strings out to the side and slowly fasten it into position. And again, make the loop with your right string, hold it with your right hand, bring the left one over, through the star and up through the loop. Okay, one more time. Notice how I pull it straight like that to get that crisscross before you tighten it, and you're pulling the strings out to the left and the right, and you want to place them so they're lovely and neat. So put the string across the metal frame from the blue side, get the pink side, bring it over, making sure it's this side of your hand, through the star and up through the loop. Bring the strings out to the side and slowly tighten that knot. And you keep doing that all the way round. You need a consistent tension and you don't want it too tight. If you have it too bunched up, you'll run out of string before you get to the end of the star. So make sure it's not too bunched up. I'll bring my star under the camera here of the one that's completed so that you can see how spread out those knots are. And if I turn it this way, you can see, you still see the metal frame. That's just part of the design. It's a bronzy coloured, goldy coloured frame, and that's okay. So once you've completed it all the way round, the string that you have left will make the tie for the top. Just do a little knot in it where you wrap it round your fingers and then bring the ends in, and that creates a knot just like that. And then with your bells, thread one side through the last knot. Do the same kind of knot like that through your fingers to tie it on so that it hangs into the middle of the star. And that's how to make a macrame star.